Why, hello everybody, and today is Sunday, March 9th, and we are in downtown Grand Rapids, Michigan. Passing the Pentland Emily Grand, a large number of restaurants here in the area. We're going to be continuing to the north. We're going to try to make Rockford today. I don't know if that's actually going to... I have no idea why traffic is so bad today. It's all northbound too. Just passing Rome here. Another one of my favorites. At least in theory, I still haven't had a chance to eat there. Maybe one of these days. I'm guessing there's something going on at Devos today. Sorry.
It was like 12:30. Yeah. It is.
Calder Plaza just here on the right.
Take my picture with that. Jake Paul?
Until sorry. Just coming up on the Michigan Street Medical Mile here. Just turns into Bridge Street as it heads to the west. And this is why you don't bring your car downtown. I'm going to take a look up at the Medical Mile here to the east. What a cluster jam. All right, we'll cross to the north. And then I think we're going to keep walking north. I'm not sure. the traffic here. All right, well, let's get away from this traffic and continue walking to the north. The U of M campus expansion here. That was built in the last 2 years or so. And I need to open my jacket now. First, the Roe Building, Roe Hotel, part of Atwater Brewing. Almost forgot that. You know that dead end, dumbass. I probably should cut that out. Should mention this is Saturday at like 1 p.m. So again, I don't know why the traffic is like this. Oh, it's really cold today, so I guess there's going to be too many people in the skate park. I think we'll continue walking to the north. Why would you park right in front of a hydrant? That is just like such a bad idea. 5 Monroe here, as I continue walking to the north, past the Brassworks Building, on Monroe here, and I think I see one of the World of Winter installs that I missed. You might want to jump over and see. Significantly windier and cold. We're like 25 mile an hour, gusting to the 30s, and it's about 40, maybe 44 Fahrenheit. So I don't know that we're gonna make it quite as far as I originally planned today. We caught some more of this World of Winter. I think since we're giving up early, we might turn around and head back, but not until after I get a shot of these geese. in and out from behind the clouds today too, which is making this kind of a challenge. Right along Monroe here too, we have a building that wasn't finished before. Corewell Health. No idea who that is. Kind of real slapped in position looking next to these two older historic buildings. Well, okay, yeah, the other one's further enough down you can't see it. Gimbal's also not tracking very well. Does not help shoving it into a backpack and hauling it on foot a bunch. I'm sure it knocks it out of balance. Pretty cold out tonight though. Today. Pretty cold out though. Kind of makes sense, there's nobody out in the skate park at the moment. Look over to the west, you can see the Barnum Bridgewater Place building along with the east-west interstate. As you can see the buses across the road there, this traffic situation hasn't resolved itself either. One last look to the east up the Medical Mile here. We're going to turn and we're going to walk to the west. Over to the Grand River at least. I've just never seen traffic pile up at this bridge before. I don't know if it's just bad etiquette at that intersection or what. Large elephant doors here at the large performance hall. Just coming up on the Grand River here. ISO 400, 14000 F22. And just here at the Grand River at Bridge Street. And again, Bridge Street goes into the Medical Mile. Just to the south, you're seeing the Gillette Bridge. I think what we'll do is we'll cross over to the west side and we'll walk the west side of the river. So we'll turn to the south just here at Avenue Gwen Park, and we'll walk back to the south past the Gerald R. Presidential Museum. Off the camera. I know we've made this walk a bunch of times, guys, but as I've said before, Grand Rapids isn't that big. Just make out Lori's Button off in the distance there. That's a large fiberglass art install and children's play structure. I believe installed in the 1970s. It's often cited or known, mostly by me, as being one of the more expensive art installs here due to its nature as a children's interactive play element. A little bit more of the world of winter here. Not too bright. There we go. I think some of these were deflated last time we came through here, but we'll try to catch the ones we didn't get last time. Tilting too much. No. How's that work? Am I in focus? Well, cool. We missed some of these last time. It's kind of cool to catch a couple. I don't think they're going to be in focus behind me. I'm in focus. Oh well. Very cool. Let's keep walking to the south again. Stop over here by the river edge real quick. This was all underwater last time we came down here. Oh, it's a crapshoot, jumping back and forth between the sun coming out and the sun going behind the clouds, but make what we can of it. Local news mentioned that behind the museum here, where they're excavating along the riverfront, they uncovered some of the old water turbines.
Solidifying the city as the country's furniture making capital. The initial growth of the furniture industry coincided with the beginning of the end of the local logging industry. A massive logjam in Grand Rapids created a major boom in immigration.
And just under the Gillette Bridge here, that's some massive hunks of rebar exposed. We're going to continue walking to the south. We'll pop up over by the museum and see if we can't see over the fence to see these water turbines that they uncovered. And here's the remnants that they've uncovered of the water turbines. And unfortunately, this little Volvo's right in between us and the big metal piece that I'm sure is part of the turbine. We'll do what we can though. Sorry, it's a little shaky. I'm trying to do tripod shots from a gimbal. This is why they always tell you in the film industry, don't try to get all your shots from a gimbal. Well, the gimbal's even getting loose now because of the cold. Now, this will be a lot shorter one than I was hoping. I was hoping to do 2 today. We'll see. I still might film 2. Just don't know how they're going to turn out. Other side of the Amway. This would be the newer side of the building. Obviously, I would hope. That would be kind of obvious. Not a lot of doggos out today. It's kind of cold. I've seen a couple, but not close enough for you guys to enjoy. Again, it's a fairly brisk day today, so it's good to see there's as many people out as there is. Obviously by the traffic you can tell. There's just a lot of people in town today as well. Just passing Rosa Parks Circle. The entrance to the Grand Rapids Art Museum here. I'm just here on the corner of Monroe Center in Ottawa. Madcap Coffee, right next to Local Mocha. Local Mocha is my favorite for coffee. Madcap's my favorite for taking pictures. Madcap was previously used in The Setup, which I believe was a 2018 movie. We're going to continue walking to the east. The Grand Rapids African American Museum Archives and Grand Rapids African Museum here, right next to City Flats Hotel. I think we're going to end this video possibly over here by Division. I'm not sure. Try not to get any more sweaty. If I sweat anymore, it's all going to go wrong. And again, there's a bunch of restaurants here that I've never tried before. Elegance here, the wig shop, they've been around for a long time, but all this other stuff is new in the past couple years, and I haven't tried any of them. Ooh, too, and they've tore a big hole. They've tore a really big hole in Division over here. That could also explain why traffic is quite messed up today. I might go over to Beacon to end the video. I don't know, I packed a lunch, but I'm starving. It's the corner of Fulton Division here. And my white balance is going to be jumping all over the place again. Alright, well, maybe this one won't make it. But we'll cross our fingers that it does anyways, because I need some more episodes. Today's Saturday and I have nothing to post. I hope you guys enjoyed that walk through downtown Grand Rapids. If you did, please feel free to hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.